Alrighty, today we're at the Milky Way cruising. Got a new camera, Sony A7 III, so the quality should look a little better. Just doing a walk around a little bit. I went to a show earlier up at Island Barbecue. I didn't video it all, just took some pictures. Those will be on Instagram. Yeah, we're just gonna walk around here, show off some of the cars, and then maybe we'll get some videos of them leaving. Got a lot of variety here. Gotta check out this S10. This is my buddy's. Super cool build. We got some of the one-legged racing cars. We got the gap cam on the back. You've seen them in some of my other videos, but they got some pretty cool cars all out here in Altoona. There's a couple more down by where I'm at. Really clean square body. Chevelle. There's my truck. Like I said, there's all types of variety here. You got new stuff, you got old stuff, you got street rods, hot rods, rat rods, newer vehicles, a lot of muscle cars. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a real nice metallic to it. Really clean car, really nice, Le Mans. People always up badge those for GTOs and do all this stuff to them. It's like a pretty common thing. GT 500, some older cars, big body cars, 4 doors, some old Chevy trucks, pretty cool little Firebird. The silver Mustang up there, that's the guy who runs it, R&B Productions. Super cool Volkswagen buses, you don't see a whole lot of them. They got it set up right, they got all the shade and everything over there. Charger, street rod. Like I said, it's a really good turnout down here for the space for sure. Got a Fox body, looks like a Dart or a Duster.
The driver of this Trans Am right in front of me, he has to move the car because I got to get more cars down there. It has the Jeep hood scoop on it. It's yellow, right by the red flag here. Whoever.
Really nice Roadrunner. This station wagon's super cool. I got some pictures of it. You'll see them on Instagram if you want to check that out. It's the same as the channel name, but I'm assuming 5.3 or 6.0 swap. And then it has the newer steering wheel in it. It's really cool. Just moving along, checking out some more cars. Yeah, lots of cool stuff here. A little windy. I didn't bring my microphone, so I'm sure you're getting some wind noise. Square body. What else we got? Street rod. I really want to show off this one truck and trailer car combo. There's another street rod. This Mustang's really nice, Gen 1 setup. Has Borla exhaust. BMS drag pack. Get it to focus there, it's really cool. Got a Camaro rolling in. New Mustang, 2024. It's really nice. It has the full dash, and then it has the, I think they said K&N intake, so it has the dual throttle bodies. Yeah, it's really good looking. This Camaro, or this Corvette has an absolutely massive tire on the back. You get a shot of that. That's crazy looking.
427 back. Okay. So I got the motor out of it, and I put a 5.7. Okay. So you
So here's the truck and trailer with the car on it I want to talk about. So it's a 67 Ford. I'm assuming F-150 or F-250. Just like super cool to see like old stuff like this. And it's got this Corvette on the back. You can see it's got all the tires in the back of the truck. Pretty cool. Looks like a survivor car, AMC AMX. The thing's like super cool. It's got like the rally wheels on it. The patina on it's super nice. Real big body. 409 Impala. This thing's beautiful. I see it around a lot of local stuff. Some more street rods, some older cars. I don't even know what this one is over here, I'm not gonna lie. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. Mustang. Another Mustang. An old truck. I think that's everything. Pretty sure I got everything. So maybe I'll cut over to some videos of them leaving. I guess I should say that's everything that's already here. Got a Camaro rolling in. It's pretty cool looking. I think it's a 68. I'm gonna check that out in a little bit. Corvette sounds amazing. I don't think I got a video of this old Chevy truck. This thing's pretty cool. It's got like clear coated patina. It's like a massive bumper on the front of it, but it's a super cool truck. Get a nice shot of it from back here. Yeah, pretty cool. So that's everything that's already here. I'll get a couple more that roll in. But yeah, it's a really nice turnout, really packed for what it is. Always a good time coming down here. I don't make it to the show as much as I'd like to. They have them a couple times this summer, but I can't even remember if I made it to it last summer or not. It might have been the summer before I came. Tom, give it a little bit. Come on. Listen to that Pro Charger. That thing sounds so good. Charged.
Yeah, it is pretty charged.
Tell me he's good after that one. Get on a little bit.
They can't look around in their hands driving. Yeah, my dad.
Oh, you can't do that.
And if we would still get 100 and some cars here.
Yeah. That actually hurt my ears. You're good. Let me see what that Camaro does. Let me see what it does. Tell her to close her eyes and ears.